Hi friends, today I'll be making lapsi paratha. So watch the video till the end. This is lapsi, left out lapsi. So I don't waste this in anything. So I'll make some paratha out of this by adding oats. So handful of oats I'll add. Because that is also masala only. And then I will bind it with water. Maybe I'll add a little besan to get binded like a dough. I'll add that also and a little bit of salt. That's it. And then I'll make this as a paratha. I added besan. Then I'll add some spices also to enhance it, and a little bit of salt. And I'll bind this together. Little oil I'll apply, water I'll apply. Okay, see, it's getting. You can make various things out of this, like even cutlet you can make. You can make paratha, bhakri, thali pit, anything, whatever you want. Okay, so you don't like this, you can grind it also. But I am not grinding, I am just making like that. Get a ball out of this. Now I put it on the tawa. This much is enough for the children. Finish this. So it becomes 2-in-1 cutlet also, paratha also, small paratha. Okay, this is the way. Now I'll flip up and show you. My thing, I'll do this in time. Look friends, out there, so well this time. So in this case you can just make it like this. If you left out dough, anything left out you can just find in this condition. And it is ready to eat. See, I'll just taste and show you. Nothing is added in this, no chutney, nothing. I am eating this. Rainy season time is very nice. Monsoon. Very tasty. Do try at home, friends. See you soon in the next video. Very healthy thing. See, I'll just taste and show you. Nothing is added in this. No chutney, nothing. I am eating this. Rainy season time is very nice. Monsoon. Very tasty. Do try at home, friends. See you soon in the next video. Very healthy.